How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am in the Tillamook Forest and I am heading out camping with both my brother and one of our friends as well. Neither of them are big campers and this is probably the first time they've been camping in about 5 years. So I'm really excited to take them out into nature, find a cool spot to camp and show them a little of what I do.
Pack your bags and fire up the engine. Drive until your heart can feel the mountains. Drive until your eyes are barely open. Gotta find the answers to the questions. Carry on, carry on. The past is frozen, the future's open. Why? Smell the pine trees blooming out the window. Wildflowers playing on the radio.
Oh, that's insane, that view.
All right, so we are almost to the viewpoint and there is a lot of snow here now. Well, not a lot, but a decent amount. So I am going to just go ahead and throw it in four-wheel drive just in case. All right, we're in four-wheel drive. Now let's see if we can make it up this last stretch to the viewpoint. Quite an awesome view though out here. What are you guys thinking?
This is scary.
Scary? It's also pretty cold out here, 33 degrees right now. All right, boys, we made it. All right, let's go take a look out here. Yeah, Victor, come up here real quick. Yeah, up here. Don't fall. Guys, you can see the beach, or you can see the ocean. See? Out there? It's so cold. It's way colder than I was expecting. I think it said it was already like 29 degrees and it is just about 4 o'clock. So probably only getting colder. And like I said, this is these guys' first time camping in like over 5 years. So it should be an interesting experience for both of them. We have a ton of blankets and stuff to stay warm though. So hopefully we're able to be comfortable through the night. Alright, well, it is so cold up here. We are at the highest mountain in the entire Tillamook Forest coastal range here. It is New Year's Eve, so at midnight tonight is actually the start of 2025. And we are now going to work on getting things set up here. It's about 28 degrees already, it's windy, and all of us are pretty cold. Next mission here is to go try and find some firewood or something dry that we can burn. Oh, he's down there. Yeah. What'd you get? We sent my brother Owen to go find firewood and I see him way down there. We're gonna go see what he got. Oh my gosh. He comes back with actual firewood.
There's so much.
There's more too?
There's a huge stash.
Oh my gosh. Victor, do you want to see if any of this stuff is dry?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. That's so slippery. Cut the clip, cut the clip. Let's just grab some of this stuff and then we'll go try with the fire starter and see. Okay, sweet. When it's not windy, it's so much warmer. But when we get up to that viewpoint up there, it's so much more exposed. And the wind is really what's making it so cold out here right now. Down here, protected from the wind, it's like a whole different location, I swear. We'll see if we can get this fire going though. That's gonna help a ton for keeping us warm and allowing us to be able to camp out here comfortably through the night. So we'll start with that. Keep it dry, keep it out of the wind, I mean. We got some probably pretty old fire starter, but we're gonna see if we can get a fire going now. We'll see if it kind of lights. We could honestly throw a couple in there. Right now we're trying to kind of like skin off the ice and see if maybe the wood underneath is a little bit drier. It's amazing the difference of how easy it is to start a fire in the summer versus the winter. Victor, nothing wants to light, bro. No way. Alright guys, so right now what we're doing, we found some firewood fortunately, and I'm trying to split it off into smaller pieces to kind of make some kindling, and hopefully by doing that as well we're getting to some drier wood. Really, we gotta get this fire going, and if we can, it's going to be game changing and make it so much easier to be outside because it is so cold out here. Victor, my friend, and Owen, my brother, just went to go get more of the firewood from the pile that's down the road a bit. And while they do that, I'm continuing to just split little pieces off of one of these firewood chunks and just throw them in, trying to just keep feeding it with smaller chunks and get it hot enough where it can start to burn some of these bigger logs.
Oh my god, Max. We brought almost 10. Oh my gosh. We dropped it so much on the way up.
Really?
I know, I got videos.
Dude, this crap is so heavy. Who's gonna carry the boats? He's gone.
I can't even feel the fire like it.
Low-key, this firewood kind of came to the clutch.
Oh, definitely.
Dude, it's actually gonna snow so much. Yeah. Dude, I want a DoorDash or Slurpee out here right now.
Really? Victor, right behind you, man. We pretty much got the fire going, but it is starting to snow really hard. So we're gonna figure out the sleeping situation. I think all of us are gonna try and sleep in the back here. It's just gonna be a lot easier than trying to set up the tent. So gonna do a big gear shuffle and pull some stuff, get it out of the way so that we can set up and have 3 of us sleeping here. There'll probably be 2 people in the back and then 1 person in the front seat folded down, so.
How's this a 4-person tent? Oh, I gotta throw this up front. Your whole blanket is like in snow.
Switching out, huh?
Yeah. Emergency mode activated.
It's a little house.
Oh, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Honey crisp. Wait. Apple juice. How is it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Should I get one?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get cooking first.
You gotta set up a camp right though.
There's so much snow that got in the back here.
No.
Hey, look at this. Okay, I gotta get propane in the pot. We can boil 2 at once too.
Yep.
And then get this closed before we completely flood this with snow and water. I'm just gonna bring it over to the fire. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Stand out there for a second and get covered in snow. For dinner tonight, guys, we are gonna be making some ravioli. We got a couple different ones. Just gonna keep it simple and cook things that we can make by just boiling water tonight. So okay, let me get the lighter real quick and then we can get this cooking. We're trying to get this door open and closed quick because the snow is just blowing sideways. We've already gotten so much snow in the Sequoia, and because we're all sleeping in there, we're gonna try and keep it somewhat dry tonight. Got these cooking now, just gotta wait for them to boil, and then we'll add our pasta and get some food in us to hopefully help us warm up. That one's over there warming up his feet. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is snowing so hard. This is crazy. Guys, I don't even know how to open this right now.
Caveman style.
Cavemen, this is how the cavemen open their ravioli too, don't worry.
Real.
Works so well. Cook 3 to 4 minutes and it's ready.
Water's boiling.
Oh yeah. Let's set a timer. Alright. We'll let this cook and then dish up. Who's hungry? We are. And we're cold. We're all cold at this point. What time is it?
I'm guessing it's about like 7.
Dude!
Got it
on the dot. 7 o'clock. Pretty much our plan as soon as we eat is I think we're all going into the Sequoia and trying to warm up. Do we have the bowls and stuff too?
We do.
Victor, look out there. It's like a blizzard.
Oh yeah. There's crazy out here.
And then you can like stir it together. Let me know how much you want.
It's probably good. I think it came out good, Mr. Max.
We'll have to see how you guys like it. You gotta try it first. It's gonna get so cold so fast.
Probably already cold.
Probably.
Taste test.
Taste test. How cold is it?
It's cold.
It's cold.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. Approved.
Got ravioli going?
By this point in the night, after spending hours in the freezing cold, we all climbed into the Sequoia where we'd spend the next 12 hours waiting for daylight. Unfortunately, from this point forward, I discovered that I had lost most of the audio during filming. While this was disappointing to realize, I still managed to capture moments from our night, a few being Victor's food reviews, laughing at the complete mess we had made, and counting down to celebrate the new year. When things don't go as planned, like losing your audio, it's important to remember that you always have a choice on how you respond. What truly matters are the laughs and memories we created, and those will remain even with the lost audio. Yeah, I know. You got your snow victory. It seems we have fully woken up in a cloud up here, but thankfully the snow has kind of died down for now. I lost most of the audio talking about our night, so here is a quick recap. Owen and I slept on the drawer system in the back of my Sequoia, and Victor was in the front passenger seat. We all stayed pretty warm and slept well, all things considered. The entire night was pretty stormy, but when we woke up in the morning, the wind had died down and the snow had stopped. Also, there was some steak that I forgot about. Because there was a pretty big cliff on the side of the trail, I was most worried here about sliding and not being able to stop. We put the Sequoia in 4 low and used the low gear, and by doing that, we were able to make it down safely. At this point, we had made it through the top exposed section, and it felt really good knowing the rest of the trail would be nice and easy.
That view that you've longed for, and I can see the shadows disappear. Hey, when time breaks upon your window sill, I don't know which way you feel. Have a heart like that, and you roll sometimes, and I can see it in your eyes. Oh, it's coming like a storm that flickers on its way.
So much warmer down here, guys.
Bro, last night was so cold putting the awning back up.
I know.
Yeah. Oh my.
Well, that is going to wrap it up for this video of New Year's camping in the Tillamook Forest. This trip was really fun. It was great to bring my brother and friend out as well. I don't think any of us were really expecting those blizzard-like conditions, but it definitely made for a memorable trip. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It's a completely free way to help support my channel. I really do appreciate it, and it allows me to keep making these videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.